What if everything you knew about homemade pizza was wrong? What if that soggy crust, that uneven cheese, wasn't your fault, but your oven's? For the last month, my kitchen has looked like a pizzeria testing lab. I've burned pizzas, I've undercooked them, and I've finally found the secrets to restaurant-quality pie at home. Today, I'm revealing the top 5 indoor pizza ovens of 2025. One of them will shock you with its price. Another will blow you away with its speed. And one might just be a complete waste of your money. All the links to buy the winners are in the description. Let's settle this once and for all. Starting at number 1. Ooni Volt. Best overall. Ooni has been one of the leaders in the outdoor home pizza oven revolution, and the Volt brings that innovative spirit indoors. Electric coils above and below the pizza stone provide even heating to the top and bottom of your pie, ensuring a crispy crust with well-cooked, or charred, toppings. In our tests, getting fresh pies into and out of the oven was simple because the Volt's mouth was large enough to accommodate a wooden peel without feeling cramped. This is helpful for newer pizzaiolos who'll find pizza launches, the actual term for putting a pizza into an oven with a peel, stressful. A big part of the Volt's appeal is its design. The oven itself looks and feels premium, but its 3-dial control system is at the heart of its functionality. These dials allow you to control the Volt's temperature, cook time, and how much heat is distributed between its top and bottom heating elements. That last dial is crucial if you'd like to use the Volt to cook more than just pizza. Ooni offers a variety of non-pizza recipes, including jalapeno poppers and chocolate chip cookies, on its YouTube channel. If you'd like to use the Volt to cook a steak, roasted chicken, or make focaccia, have at it. Number 2. Breville Pizzaiolo. Best splurge. The Breville Pizzaiolo is a premium pizza oven that accommodates both seasoned pros and beginners who need a little guidance through the pizza-making process. Our favorite feature is a mechanism that moves the pizza stone forward as the oven's door opens. This makes the pizza easier to launch and, with practice, ensures your pie is in the center of the oven for even cooking. Like the Ooni Volt, the Pizzaiolo has 3 knobs that allow you to control different aspects of your cook. However, Breville took a different approach when designing its temperature control knob, which is labeled style. You can turn the dial to sections labeled frozen, pan, New York, thin and crispy, and wood fired to achieve the right temperature for each type of pizza. There are also settings for 350 and 750 degrees Fahrenheit if you prefer to cook low and slow or blazing fast. These settings will save you from having to look up YouTube tutorials on pizza temperatures. The additional knobs on the Pizzaiolo's front side let you adjust the lightness and darkness of your crust and the time of your cook. Number 3. Piezano Electric Pizza Oven. Best compact. I'm immediately suspicious of any gadget I first encounter via TikTok. When this countertop pizza cooker hit my feed, it seemed like snake oil. After all, it has that pun-based name, and it looks like an oversized George Foreman grill. It pleasantly surprised me during testing. Set to maximum, the Piezano claims it's capable of hitting 800 degrees Fahrenheit. Using an infrared thermometer, I found that it did get up around 800 F after roughly 20 minutes of preheating. Once I put in the pizza, it dropped considerably and couldn't seem to climb back to 800 degrees, but it stayed above 600 degrees, which is more than my oven or air fryer can say for itself. I found a pizza with pre-made dough and store-shredded mozzarella, forgive my laziness, and that took roughly 4 minutes to cook. The oven allows cooks to reduce the temperature from the top heating element during the cook in order to prevent cheese from burning as the crust cooks. That's one of the most common mistakes beginners make when using any kind of pizza oven. A small window provides a view of the toppings, so it's simple to tell when it's done. Number 4. Cuisinart CPZ-120. Best value. If you're committed to getting a fully featured standalone indoor pizza oven on a budget, nothing can touch Cuisinart's CPZ-120. Its build quality doesn't quite measure up to the Ooni Volt, but it's well constructed and roughly a third of the price. In our tests, pies made in the CPZ-120 were similar in taste and texture to the ones made in the Volt and better than what we've gotten out of a traditional oven due to the higher cooking temperature. There's only one knob on the front of this indoor pizza oven, and it allows you to adjust its temperature. Handy time and temperature guides printed on the oven's glass door let you know what settings to use based on the pie you'd like to make. A digital timer with plus and dash buttons on the CPZ-120's face allows you to set a cook time and will beep 3 times when the pizza is ready to remove. In our testing, you'll still need to turn the pie around a couple of times to get an even cook. Number 5. Nordic Ware Pizza Stone. Best budget. Getting into indoor pizza making doesn't require getting a standalone oven. You can use the full-sized oven in your kitchen instead, so long as you use a pizza stone. This stone from Nordic Ware will allow you to make 13-inch pies, which are slightly larger than the ones you'd get from the standalone pizza ovens we've recommended. Using a pizza stone is easy. Turn your oven's temperature up to its highest setting, typically 500 or 550 degrees, insert the stone, and allow it to fully heat up. A full-sized oven will take longer to reach its maximum temperature than a countertop indoor pizza oven, so you may have to wait as long as an hour before you can start cooking pizza. Once the stone is heated, you launch your pie on top and rotate it as necessary while it cooks. We like that Nordic Ware's pizza stone sits on a metal rack with handles, so you can take your pie out of the oven, use oven mitts, once the cook is complete. So, which oven will be crowned on your countertop? Whether you're a Neapolitan purist or a Detroit deep dish fanatic, the power is now in your hands. Every single oven we tested, from the budget hero to the luxury powerhouse, is linked below in the description. Go find your perfect match. If this showdown saved you from a bad buy or found you your new kitchen favorite, do me a huge favor, smash that like button. It tells YouTube you want more head-to-head battles. Share this with the pizza lover in your life. And subscribe. Because next week, we're taking the winner and pitting it against a $10,000 professional oven. You won't believe the results.